All right, friends, we are back to an old friend, Huff and More Puff. We got wrecked by the fake Happy Lucky because Happy Lucky was asleep on the couch and he wasn't playing. The Aristocat didn't help us out there either. So back to Old Faithful. No volatility in Half and Puff. We're in for a little bit. Let's try to get lucky here. Hats and hats, hats and hats, hats and cats. None of them. Yeah, thank you. Okay. 2? None. 3. You need 3 saws. You need many corporate pigs across, or you need 6 lovely hats. Neither of them are coming on this denomination in the nation. Let's go to 2 pennies. Oh, okay. Many things that didn't matter in the end. Oh, and then our friend the Big Bad Wolf is the wild, so. Wow. Does anyone know why that worker is just sitting on a log and he's not actually working? He's not actually working. Everyone else is lumberjacking, CEO pigging. He's just sitting there. Oh. Not enough back there. Oh, we got him all the way across. That's good. We got the hard-working lumberjack all the way across. Oh, no. Saw a lot of corporate pigs and I got excited. 2? Why did I ask for 2? That's what I get. I asked for the wrong number. 2? 2 now. I asked for the right number. Oh my god. 2 total. I didn't ask for 2 total. 2 more. I need to be more clear. 2 more. Okay. I asked for 2 late. Hope everyone's doing well. Look how pretty it is when you play over here at the Durango. You can look outside a window, see that the sun is still out. All the beautiful things. Do. Hey, doll hair is back. That's cute. Oh, again? Oh no. Almost. 2 more. We're gonna. Oh my god! Look at all the corporate pig. The stupid hat was blocking. 2 more, please. I asked so nicely. They did not come through. 2 more, please. 2 more. 2 more. Either way. I love how excited Wifey gets when they come through. 2 more, please. Oh, what? Oh my god, I asked for the wrong one. Right. 2 more, please. 2 more, please. I said 2 more when I needed 1 more. That was my problem. 4 more, please. Okay, I got it right, but it was late. We may need to reload here. Let's try 1 pennies. Let's work our way up. What do y'all say? Work our way up. Saw pretty decent action on the other one. But maybe it was 2 cents all along. It was 2 cents all along. Forgive me for forsaking you. Pigs, but not the right pigs. This hoedown of pigs needs to match. Oh, 2. Yeah, it was 2 cents the whole time. Okay, 7 hats. Is this a curse? I don't know. Wait, there's a lot of curses. People say, okay, first swing and a miss. I don't have to push the button. Oh, second swing and a miss. That's okay. We'll just take 3 now. 3. Okay, we'll take 3 down row 5, please. Oh, okay. 3 down row 4, sorry. Oh, 3. Oh, we got 1 mansion. Oh, good. Re-trigger, we like to see it. And 1 beautiful golden mansion. 3 down row 5. Aisle 5, please. Aisle 4. Oh my god, I am such a noob. Toolboxes. Oh, oh, nice. That's a good one. I like how you have no emotion. That one was, that's so good because if we get 3, you get another bonus round. Yeah, she's not as a professional gambler as we are, guys. Wait, now get one more mansion, please. Don't die out. Aw, it was such a good chance to get multiple mansions, but we have 2 shots. As our friend the Big Jackpot likes to say, we're only halfway home to the big payback, sorry. Many big jackpots and paybacks. Come on, Wolfy, be our friend. We're your friend, be our friend too. Okay, many small. Look, if we get a coin in this, in one of these, that's a very good sign. Coin, 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 coin. Okay, let's get, the coins are one of those progressive. So coins here is much needed. Coins, coins, red coin. Okay, not bad. No coins, but we'll take it. 40, I think it's $80, right? Yeah. Yeah, but it's 2 cents. Yeah, so that's why, yeah. Beautiful view. Beautiful bonus round. Magic. Okay, we love to see it. Now we are up. Oh, corporate pig. Corporate pig, don't hoard all your money. Oh, 2, 3 more, see? I always give the wrong number too, okay? We get excited and we, in the moment. 5 more, 2 more, 5 more, 2 more, 5, 6, 7 more, none more. 4 more? Oh my God, Corp 1, if it was any corporate pigs on the first one, that's about $1 million we missed out on. 2 more, please. We knew that 2 cents was our magic, so 3 more. 3 on the first reel never means anything, except when we hit the, oh, 2, 1 more. Oh, the excitement of the moment is palpable. My levee was dry. Good old boys were drinking whiskey and rye. I'm loving the music. 2 more, please. No more. Should we change our denomination in the nation? So we were gonna do 250 on 2 cents. Oh, 2 more. Por favor, 2 more. Corporate? No corporates. 4 more? No. Do. Someone hit something good over there. Okay. Measure my tape. 2 more? I think it's just 2 cents. I think it's just 2 cents is the right play. So, 2 more, please. Oh, the buzzsaw was right there at the top. It wouldn't have mattered. The second one. 5 more? Many tapes. Many tapes to measure all of our money. 4 more? 4 more? 2 more? 5 more? 10 more? Oh my God. When it's that, it's overstimulation. 5 more? I got it right this time and I didn't. I even asked early. Okay, so a little bit dying out here. It was nice to get 2 mansions on that last one, I'll have to say. But it's so many opportunities. Oh, many little green kids laying on the log and not working. Too bad we only paying 75 cents, but that's wifey on the couch, she said. Oh, the song wants to keep going, that's good. How many millions of dollars is this? 1350? Thank you. We appreciate. Oh, 3, 2, 4, 5. Oh. 5. 5. 2 more, please. 2 more buzz saws. Should be very specific. 4 more hard hats. Okay. 4 more hard hats. I'm asking very politely nowadays. No. Okay. Up it a little bit. 4 more? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. All right. Lovely Durango Casino. The view, another bonus round. Yeah, exactly. I'll take it. Come on, now we need a lot of hats. Drop them, please. That's what happened last time. 2 swings on the first. Oh, don't do 3. Oh, sweet baby J. Come on. It can't be none, can it? Oh my god. Okay, what do we need? We need 3 down aisle 2, please. 1 at least mansion. Okay, that's good. There they are. 1 more free, but we want 1 gold at least. The gold gives us a chance. 3 down aisle 3, please. Mr. Wolf, please be nice. Oh. You got a bunch of toolboxes. The wife, he said, Wolfy said that I'm a tool, and that's why he didn't give us any mansions. Screaming very loud over there. I wonder what they want. Hello, Wolfy, with your beautiful blue eyes. Yeah, no, we can still get a coin. We can still get the major in one of these straw houses or the wood houses. Coin? Well, that one's okay. 11.25. We won 39.99. Yeah. Okay, thank you so much. We appreciate it. Now back to back. We wanted. Oh, back to back. It was. You're right. I was so caught off guard. I didn't even know what to ask for there. 5. 4 more. I couldn't even get the words out. They felt bad for us. The last bonus was a little bit weak, but we will take a makeup. Come on, please, hats from the beginning. Oh man, hats from the beginning, please. Okay, 3 though. Oh my goodness, what is going on over there? Come on, 2, 3, 4. Give us something here. Okay, 3 down aisle 3, please. Okay. Staying alive, 2 more spins. Please let's get us a gold here. We asked very nicely. 3 down aisle 5, 3 down aisle 3. Oh goodness, come on. 3 down aisle 4. You just did it. Nope. Okay, 1 gold. So gold is always gonna be at least 10 times your bet. So if you bet $50, it's at least gonna be $500. So if you bet $10, at least it's gonna be $100. But it could be any of these big boys up here at the top. Hello, Wolfy, our good, beautiful friend. Oh, your breath smells great today, Wolfy. Your teeth are so clean. Your eyes are so beautiful like the sky. Give us a coin in one of these woods. Coin? Okay, pretty decent. Let's give us the red one, please. The red grand. You can get a grand in this. So, grand. Coin, grand. Mine are $50, not bad. Okay.
It's not your mini.
It's not my mini. It's not our favorite, but it's very respectable. Almost $100 hairs. We like it. $99. Got 99 problems. The $99 is not one. Yeah. Thank you, Wolfy. Yeah. Thank you. 98. That's pretty good. That's a 40, 50x almost, right? 50x almost, so we'll take it. Oh, corporate piggy. Got a wooden toolbox. Oh, 5 more? 3 more? Oh, I asked for 3 more. That was my fault. I asked for 3 more. That was my mistake. 2 more of the buzzsaws. Nope. Is this denomination in the nation gonna die out on us? There's many more games to play. 2 more buzzsaws, please. We haven't gotten 1 buzzsaw. What should we do? What should we do, everybody? 2 more? Oh my god, why did I say 2 more? Got some J's all the way across. Some O. We'd like to see a buzzsaw situation here. 2 more. My apologies. That was my fault. Let's go to 5 cents. 5 cents has not done anything good for us yet. Yeah. So wifey says play to 150. Oh. and then we go find another machine, which I think is 2 more, 1 more. Come on. Oh, you want to see that buzzsaw on, because they were lined up perfectly. If that's the buzzsaw feature, you're ending up with so much delight on that row. My heart is broken. My heart is broken. All right, 1 more, and then let's see. Oh, 2 more? Should we try a couple more? Let's try to 140. 5 more? It's probably just a waste of $10, but we gotta at least try 2 more, 4 more, 5 more, 10 more, none more. Yeah, she says get exactly to the the 140 or whatever. So what's the closest? This would be the closest. This was our lucky one last one. So 4 more, 2 more. Oof. It's so crazy because like you want to like keep going. That is the urge, but you gotta have discipline and move on to the next one. Thank you, Mr. Wolf. Thank you to this view, Durango, and off to the next machine. See you then.